Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of unique front porch decor and creative front porch decorating ideas to enhance your home appearance ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we bring you the best tips and inspiration for creating beautiful living spaces. Today, we'll delve into the captivating world of front porch decorating ideas. Your front porch serves as the gateway to your home, setting the tone for your visitors and offering a glimpse into your personal style. Let's explore how you can transform your front porch into an inviting oasis that exudes charm and elegance. 1. Enhance your entrance. The front door is the focal point of your porch. Consider painting it in a bold color that complements your home's exterior. Add a decorative wreath or personalized doormat to greet your guests with warmth and style. 2. Create a cozy seating area. Make your front porch an extension of your living space by incorporating comfortable seating. Choose weather-resistant furniture with plush cushions and throw pillows. Arrange the seating area to encourage conversation and relaxation. 3. Add greenery and color. Introduce planters and hanging baskets filled with vibrant flowers and lush green plants. Use a variety of heights and textures to create visual interest. Incorporate seasonal elements to keep your porch fresh and inviting throughout the year. 4. Illuminate with lighting. Strategically placed lighting can transform the ambience of your front porch. Install sconces or pendant lights to provide warm and inviting illumination. Add pathway lights to guide visitors to your front door and showcase your porch's beauty at night. 5. Embrace symmetry. Symmetry brings a sense of balance and harmony to your front porch. Use matching pairs of planters, lanterns, or furniture to create a cohesive and visually pleasing look. Symmetrical arrangements make a grand statement. 6. Personalize with accessories. Add character to your front porch by incorporating accessories that reflect your personal style. Hang artwork, display decorative objects, or place a vintage bench or table. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials. 7. Welcome with a rug. An outdoor rug not only adds visual appeal but also defines the seating area. Choose a rug that complements your porch's color scheme and style. Opt for weather-resistant materials that can withstand the elements. 8. Make use of vertical space. Maximize space on a small front porch by utilizing vertical elements. Hang potted plants, install a vertical garden, or mount decorative shelves to display accessories. Vertical arrangements draw the eye upward, making the porch feel larger. 9. Incorporate natural elements. Embrace the beauty of nature by incorporating natural elements into your front porch decor. Use driftwood, stones, or shells to create unique accents. Consider a small water feature or a wind chime to add soothing sounds. 10. Engage the senses. Enhance the sensory experience on your front porch. Place scented candles or diffusers to create a pleasant aroma. Incorporate wind chimes or outdoor speakers to introduce soft music or calming sounds of nature. By following these front porch decorating ideas, you can turn your porch into a stunning space that welcomes and delights your guests. Whether you have a sprawling porch or a compact one, there are endless possibilities to create a beautiful and inviting entrance to your home. Your front porch is a canvas waiting to be transformed into a captivating space that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who visits your home. By implementing these 10 best front porch decorating ideas, you can create a welcoming and stylish sanctuary that reflects your unique taste and personality. Whether you prefer a cozy and intimate setting or a grand and elegant ambience, there are endless possibilities to elevate your front porch. Remember to consider factors such as weather resistance, functionality, and personal preferences when selecting furniture, accessories, and decorative elements. At Homes Decor Designs, we're dedicated to providing you with expert advice and inspiration to help you turn your house into a home. Join us on YouTube for more captivating content that will guide you through the world of home decor and design. Keep in mind that your front porch is more than just a space, it's an opportunity to make a statement and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. So, take a step outside, envision the possibilities, and let your front porch become a reflection of your style and hospitality. A well-decorated front porch is not only visually appealing but also an extension of your personal style and hospitality. Join Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more expert advice and inspiring ideas to elevate your home decor and design. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of unique front porch decor ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.